Chief Electoral Officer CEO Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari hakakat arter yayong ulaku berbak election kala Pher ha Meghalaya bat kidan haduk South Patli ki polling station ki badan jingma ki balai itu kum ki critical and vulnerable. Kini ki critical polling station ki dei ki bala juja teng ki jingklumar ki bala mi ha ki election ki bala dam kat ba ki vulnerable pat ki dei ki bala don jingma ki ba ki nong penyat yak election ki la nyo kum ki jaka duna ki lat kam penrai ba pendeko ya kayat kayeng ki brio bat ki tiar kitar CEO ula ong babaro ki jinon kam ki lapen biang ha ki jaka thap vote ni polling station ha ki jaka bakhle ki jat ben rio ru lapen biang ya ki jinon kam ban light na kino ki jingja ki bala ban wanra ya ka jing ya kan an CEO ula ong ba ki jingja ki bajia dangshen kim dei ki bajujia ha kasan perthai ha jilla Meghalaya CEO ula lum jingalang ru ba ki sengsan perthai ba ki lapen snguru ya ki babun ki jing Baro ki kinhun san perthai kilapan pa ban ai ka jinga trelang bat katanan election ban penne ya ka shong suk shong san laong CEO.
Lok Sabha elections, no such incidents happen. So whatever few incidents are coming, as you are also telling. So in that way we are looking not very different, but these things are not very common as per the Meghalaya is concerned. Normally the elections in Meghalaya were traditionally very peaceful and conducted in very peace and harmony, free and fair manner. So such tension, if the something is coming and some law and order related few issues has come, so we are keeping close watch, and we can't deny that there is a everything is like previous. So something happened, but we are keeping close watch, and we are very much committed to conduct the free and fair and peaceful election. Basically the situations, some incidents and whatever happening, it is not very common in the political scenario in Meghalaya, but we are taking it at topmost priority. Prime concern is there, so all the needful arrangement is being done, and force and other law enforcement agencies, our teams are already mobilized in full swing to keep the proper monitoring and watch over the situation. And I hope with the collective effort we will be able to go with the very elections, this elections also in peaceful and free and fair manner. If any particular candidate or anything it happens in such a way, then in model code of conduct all those decisions has been taken at the level of Honorable Election Commission of India. So if so at our level we can't say about that, but if there is the serious model code of conduct and all the regulatory violations are there from any party side, so it is a matter of the proper examination and through a proper procedure only, if as per law, then only any action will be ensued. I have to check because the timeline has been given, so once it will be there, then appropriate action will be ensued. If there is any incident happen, because wherever our formal team, we hardly found any such thing, because some incidents are all of sudden occurs. So, and in all such places it is very difficult to, because we can't assume ki any such incident going to happen in any place. So we immediately, the team is being mobilized, and then we get the inputs, feedbacks, and then get the reports also. So whatever the, even as you asked about the social media things, we are keeping a close watch, and if anything comes, then we take on. We are having more than 400 polling stations, which are vulnerable, and some other very few are critical. So, and all the needful arrangement has been made to cut all those. We are all the machineries has been doing proper examination, and extra forces, and in the mixed population area we are taking proper care, so to avoid any such incident which may lead to further death. The booth level sweep strategy, we worked out the turnout implementation plan, and we are associating with the youth, the traditional institutions like reviving the Usongot and other institutions, making these elections green, and moreover the community participation. There's a community initiatives like cleaning drives in the polling stations, and more, because once the community will take the ownership, they have lot of say and hold in the localities. So our most of the strategy is surrounding the community and the youth. So I hope we will be able to have higher voting percentage in between the agreement with the both the state. So area where it was falling in Meghalaya, they already have the epics of the Meghalaya, and whoever are in Assam, they are having the Assam side. So traditionally, like in the assembly election also, whoever voted in our state, who are voter in our state, they are supposed to vote in our state. Meeting with the political party representative at state level in view of the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, as voting poll day is very close, and moreover there are several concerns from the different political parties to know their worry list, and so other issues like appointing the political agents, and their cooperation in respect to law and order situation. And from our side we briefed all the, we have heard about their different concerns and worries in a present scenario, and we requested them for their full cooperation, and all of them has just assures us that from their end they will try their best to maintain the peace and harmony, and full cooperation they will extend to the law and order enforcement agencies and state. So we are very happy, and but our concerns are there at the ground to maintain the law and order and peace and harmony. So law enforcement agencies are already there as per the protocol and instruction from the honorable